Malak sector. Hello. Dapper. Nice. Danko. I'll take the whole video with my whole outfit. But yeah, looking all dapper, all good. Sahamba manje selokishini. Ready? Something selokishini. Merry Christmas. This one must stay behind this one. Eh? Barmini. Baranda. Baby. We'll make a plan. I need to just want a spark. What's gonna make it? White House.
That's name.
How much? How much? How much?
How? How to get that video from? Oh, no, that's what video. I can see. Yeah.
Then what you would have, Florida. I'm not about. Hi. Just. Oh. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep doing that.
Kalingo, sida ku Petra. Angiyazi mfana.
Awuyazi?
Angiyazi mfana. Ngiyayizama.
Shitsha kanjani impilo yakho?
Nje.
Oh.
Tuhamba phela.
Yabona noma ingene. It's not funny la mfana.
Same time. Ngobuya boma 3 hours late sasegijima for 10:15. Hayi ja, ja.
Yeah, no, man, I appreciate that. I'm not feeling the man. I appreciate that. I'm not feeling the man. on something. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, ngitshwayela ukuthi mina icamera ngishutha abantu ngishutha izinto Bone awuthiyama uthatha mfethu awu madoda awu izinja kwafethu Hola mosquito Awu hola mosquito amantombazana akwazi ngobani Khotman Usaba amantombazana Wayibona ithethe nama-threats usaba amantombazana Mangaba ukholwa uzale thuthi Good morning YouTube. So boys Kia Kids. Sekasi. Nimsebenzini namhlanje boxing day. Yesterday was a jump. Today the struggle to get a taxi. But yeah, sendleleni. Siyabangena. Sempre. Só que ele tem que ser Princeton. Siyenzani isihlamahlama Nkosi yami. Sihlala ngami. Yesterday I drank a lot. I am not alright. I'm alright. Hey, fetch. Yo, and even sekasi and then fana yo. Hayi ukuthi kumnandi nje bengiplome grand inkinga ebuhlabeni inoledi amabhebeza noledi la amabhebeza nencosa sejardini grand oledi hayi sabuyile imali yethu umqimane manje umqimane khathele mfana yo Zolo bengizimansamisa nge-18 years yo but akuthe one shot ngathi hayi samabhiya once sobona
sengibophile club sengisejele
hayi ijump fast
mina ngijampe fast
Merry Christmas YouTube. Merry Christmas guys. But now it's time to eat some nasty. See. Who's working? How's working? Let's go eat. Mvula, go away. Election. Ngale weather. Those prices. Mara siya ngayo le weather because at the end of the day, kamele ngishayise. And niyazi ukuthi ngiseseneyinkinga zemoto. Mara isuthini mfethu. Asithembe mangicela ukushayisa. Le mvula izabe right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Isikhathi sokubukela iBafana Bafana manje. Egypt. Asithukanga. So my prediction right for this game would be 3-2. And I'm going to tell you next vlog which I told you so. 3-2. We buy cack, not we buy cars. Today he heart attack, but I mean, today heart attack inside. Zakala. No man, this was simple dog. Any half time, it come half time, go half time man. It's shy saying, I shy saying. Bafana, but it's not over, guys. It's still half time. No, there's gonna be more minutes, and it is the second half. We come back. I hope when I get home, couldn't still see man. Yeah, red card.
Oh, yellow, red. Who's got a yellow card?
How's again? We must come back from this. On my way, I found out that, the result didn't change. It was still 1-0. South Africa. Just William Makasana. Take this out of net and say, if you want to remember, just want to get home and check the score. The score sihamba kanjani ngicine kuyi 1-0. Sesibukile Spanini sivaye lokishini. Sivaye 10. Thank you to Mlalo for giving me a lift. Thank you, Hotman. Kamba kanjani Kika? Iphi lento leya? Kamba kanjani Kika? Umnati Kika. Sathe ko ukhunte for Skia TV. Number one. What's it back if you like any vlog?
Unka phone ke bua le wena and then you want to see the best. Marete balls. Sheba ke tsere Hotmanile linkenya di vlogging wa bona Hotman le
yo mfethu sere
omtela ko Skia TV
number 1
Marete balls
Pele taraka
shepo jwang kisa
number 1 da khotbare take
why you content
nale out le nkolotayo YouTubers le out inkoloto wa ka pipe le Hotman leli
hayi bajile kahle ithi lencane ungakhona
take mfethu hola khatha Hola, Fede. Number 1. Machita. Singing Grona. Neighbor Bone. Good morning. Bikai. The Sharpo. Number 1, man. Hola. Yeah? Yeah. Ukrendi.
yes sir
Usabza lo mfethu. Ubianca lo ya. Ngibona le akasafuna ukwenza contact guys.
Sub-Zero.
Yeah, sisi le ya. Akasafuna ukwenza content.
Yes sir.
Yeah, ngiyazwakala. Yeah, ngiyazwakala. Yeah? You in hiding? Okay, ngizokukhatha out ke siswami. Actually sisi ngimkhathe out so guys, I'm gonna bleep her. Nizombona nje inyawo mara ngeke nimbone ubuso, ne? Sharp. Thank you very much, Elikai. I never. Ke tlo gaisa tattoo fela. Ai go je ba itse tattoo. All right, I'll cut you out, my sister. I don't know completely. I'll cut you out. I'm like, even though it's good content, but yeah. Bye bye. Sharp. Going home. We're home. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. It's been day 2 of the vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want that. Hello, hi.
Yeah,
Uyasho ukuthi mina ngiyasho ukuthi awishangana mfowethu yazi. Shangana lesehlelo. Yazi amashangana agcwele kanjani la ehlelo?
yo small vendor.
Hayi ufuthi abanye bazibiza ngabo siphamandla izitshe.
Angakwazi.
Mhlambe bazibiza ngabo siphabana sothini.
Angeke sazi ukuthi maybe igama lakho usiphamandla Boniface.
Rest, forget.
Umnandi mara Grootman.
Hayi ngiyaphila yabona bangabe mina kunika soda kushuthi ngijabulile ngeke ngisabuza ukuthi Christmas benjani like yenza ngama-voice kushuthi imnandi.
Besihlale drive around so we
So
taxi.
sizulela nje yazi ebhasini.
Yazi the taxi lesihlala kuyo. Lehlala imile bhuti, lehlala imile ibhekene nefestere.
Lehla le ngahambi.
Manje ithini mfethu? Ithini eKZN mfethu? Khona umshado lapho.
Hayi kumnandi ngibona amathishu ngala ibele sengilize kanidela ngokubukana nebele.
Ubone fuck. Ubona nebele nje yapha.
Ngibele lapha ngaphandle phela nekhula sijwayelana letele.
Ewa.
Ngibona bese ukuthi
Unqunu hamba yilaba semakhaya bahamba nqunu.
hayi bese ukuthi
Enkabini.
Abathintwa labo.
Phela wathi isibaya sakomunye umuzi uzohlala.
Vele uyazi ngcono
Ene wena uyazazi wena ukuthi hey la igoli uhlupha kakhulu. Manje lapho ungahluphi ngoba uzohlawula. Awuhluphi wena.
Hayi, alright isikhiya hawo. Awenze ukuthi ngilungise.
esipamani.
Izona sengithinde umuntu nje.
Ngithi ngisazosho kanjalo ukuthi phela uhambe uvule kumlomo udumbile uqhaqhekile manje uqhaqheke kangakanani ke
uhambe ngoba uthembisiwe kahle bokufanga ukuthi uye Limpopo wajika umqondo wathi athi ngeNatal ngithembisiwe.
Hayi no tayile ngabuyana inde futhi imdala kimi umuntu.
Yo so udle neplate ne
Umdala kimi. Yazi nomlungisi bengimbeke phansi ngifuna ukumnquma njengenkukhu yazi.
Mara sikhuluma iqiniso Grootman akusinto entsha leko yabantu abadala why manje
nakuthinte entsha ngoba umuntu ohloniphekile phela la esibhedini sasemthenga.
wena ngathi bamba uprincipal nje yeah
Ngiphethe nenduna ephaketheni lami bengishade induna yilo ngicebisa ukuthi ayakhuleka licala lela ngeke lendawo. Sengiphethe nenduna mina la.
bafana basegoli.
Hey ubuye phela umuzi kagogo umele phela ngihambe umnomphela.
Ngizobuya ngithi nina nihlekile ukuthi nithathe isikhiya kokumanje nje ngabe kunomuntu edumisile lapha.
Hayi wena abantu. Hey wena.